Hi, this is Abrar from Dorik, and today I'll be showing you guys how you can add filters to display your custom collection items in your website. Now let's get started. So make sure that you already have custom collections because you want to showcase them obviously, and make sure that your custom collections have fields in them. What I mean by fields is when you click on fields, you will see these fields like name, slug, client details, etc. Now there are some required fields, there are some unrequired fields. That's not necessary. What necessary is the field type. Now field types are necessary for using filters in them. I'll show you step by step on how you can do that, but make sure that you have a custom collection and you have custom collection fields. So let's go to our site and check out how filters work for custom collections. So I'll click on design and pages. Now let's add a CMS row, go to custom section and click on any of these. Then you need to connect to database, make sure the data source is custom collection, select any custom collection, let's say client in this case, and as you can see the filter option is right here. So if you click on this drop down, you can see the option to add a new filter. Now before I add a new filter, I need to make sure I add some elements in this. So let's say I add a heading, remove this heading, the default, and add a CMS field. Let's add the name. Now as you can see, the custom collection names are added here. Let's add filters to it. So I close this modal, click on edit CMS row style, and as you can see I can use the filters now. So let's add a new filter. Now let's select a field. This field is name, so I'll click on name, and let's use this contains filter. So let's say we are looking for or trying to showcase specific items in this section on my website. So let's say I want to display Elliot, and as you can see the rest of the things have been filtered out and Elliot is here. There's another example. If I say does not contain and write Elliot, as you can see the rest of the things are displaying except for Elliot. Now you can use this for various other elements of a custom collection. Let's add a new element. Let's just call this text and replace this text with client details. Now as you can see this data type is in rich text. So if I click on edit element, you can see it's in rich text. So this is a data type and this can have its own filter type. Let me show you. So when you go to edit CMS row style, you click on filters, you add a new filter, you select a field, then in this case it was rich text. So you can see the filters are different here, is set or not set, right? So this is how it works, and if you guys want to learn more, you can refer to the documentation, or you can contact our support team at support@dorikdorik.com. Also let me know in the comments so I can reply to your queries. Thank you for using Dorik.